Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to change Facebook name. Open up Facebook. Go into menu from the bottom right corner. Then click on the settings icon. From Account Center, click to see more in Account Center. Tap on Add Account. Open your profile. Go into name and you can change the name from here. After changing the name according to your requirements, click to Done, then press Review Change. Choose how your name will appear on your profiles. Also, you won't be able to change your name within the next 60 days. Then click to save changes. Thanks for watching, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.